Hello family, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'm gonna guide you and show you how to make your own homemade pizza. This pizza, trust me, you will try this and you will never buy it from the restaurant again. So stay with me and let's get started. So first I am going to open in a can of evaporated milk. You can use fresh milk of your choice. I'm using this milk, so anyone can make it, wherever you are you can make it. So that's what I have in here, and I have my clean bowl, and I'm going to add in 1 cup of evaporated milk or 1 cup of whole milk. So next I am going to add 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of instant yeast and 2 tablespoons of agave syrup or sugar, and I have in 8 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to melt it and I'll show you later. So back in our ingredients, I have in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder just to get good flavor for my crust, and I'm going to add in 1 egg. So now our butter is nicely melted. I'm going to add into the wet ingredients, and then we are going to mix everything together. Trust me, this pizza, when you are done, you will never ever order pizza outside again. So I am going to add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. That is what I am going to use. So make sure you add in, and then we are going to mix it really nice and very well. Yes, the pizza tbsp quarantine season in tea. We are just trying, our best to make it at home and without. Please go ahead and mix your dough very well. So after you mix the dough, please leave it on to sit for about 30 minutes. So while our dough is resting, we are going to cut in 1 medium onion. So I am going to fry this onion, and I'm going to use it for the topping of my pizza. So I just turned my stove on to a medium heat, and we're going to add in a little bit of oil, and that's where you're going to fry with our topping. So with my meat, I have bacon. This is turkey bacon and chicken sausage, but you can use any topping of your choice. And I have some meatballs, that I made I think 3 days ago. So I'm going to cut it into pieces and add it in the topping as well. And with this, trust me, you can use any meat of your choice. You can use chicken, you can use beef, you can use bison, you can use even fish. It depends on your choice, Yeah, so, and let it cook for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I just cook my onion as well. Yeah, so make sure you cook on your onion also. And then after the onion is done, we are going to check our dough. So this dough has been sitting down for about 40 minutes, and we are going to knead this dough. So I added a little bit of oil, just to help me knead. So after you knead your dough, we are going to cut this dough into 2 different parts. So with this recipe, we are going to get 2 different pizzas, so which means that we're going to get 2 different flavors. So the flavors, you're going to get one with pineapple and one without the pineapple. So in which I am going to show you in this video when it is ready. So I'm just trying to knead this dough and then get it out, of the way. So now it is done. I'm going to use my rolling stick, and I'm going to roll it a little bit. And I have in my pizza pan right here. This is what I'm going to use to bake the pizza. And now it is ready. We are going to add in our filling. So I have here Alfredo sauce. This is very creamy Alfredo sauce. If you don't like Alfredo sauce, you can use any sauce of your choice, tomato sauce. But trust me, Alfredo sauce is really nice, and it is very delicious when you add it on top of pizza. This is not my first time making this pizza, and I always make it using Alfredo sauce, and it's very delicious. Just try it and then you'll see. So after this part is done, I am going to turn my oven into 350 degrees, and that is what we're going to use to bake our pizza. And of course, I'm going to be adding my toppings. This is the best time to add all your toppings. You can add any meat of your choice, like I said. Yeah, so please feel free and add in, and then we will be right back. In a pizza, Miss William will feel more with you, dear. Or the pizza be more. What's about so can you? Yeah, you can just make it as freshly and it tastes really nice. So of course you cannot forget, your cheese. So I have in mozzarella cheese and I'm going to add it in there. In Ghana you can get some from ShopRite or Opoku Trading. I think they sell it there. So please feel free and then give this recipe a try at home. And now our oven is ready. I am going to bake this pizza for 25 minutes. And then it doesn't take too long at all and it should be ready. So our pizza is ready after 25 minutes and it's looking really nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick the other one in there and wait until it is done. So let me just cut some part of it so you guys will see how it looks. And as you can tell, this pizza is nice and casa. You can tell it looks really cheesy, creamy, deliciousness. You say pizza na etia pankasa. So let me show you the other one as well. So this is the other one without the pineapple flavor and it looks so nice and yummy. So kondo. It is very, very nice and very inviting ankasa. So I just want to thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box below. Please feel free and check it out. So this is how I make my pizza, and try it at home. Let me know how yours turn out. Give me a feedback. Until I see you once again, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.